Is your throat scratching every time you have cough and catarrh? Then let's hop into this remedy. You have onions, lime, and garlic. Grate the onions, or you can blend it, but don't add water. Instead, while blending, add lemon water to it. Grate the garlic. You can still blend them together, but the lemon, you can just add a little lemon to a blender, then add onions. Don't use water to blend. Okay, you strain out the water using cheesecloth or sieve, anything you can use, so that the particles will not enter the syrup. Then add your lime or lemon. You can see, pour it into a container, then add honey to it. You can still make bigger quantity. This remedy, don't put it in the fridge, just keep it. It will not spoil, it won't sour. It will stay like this till you finish it, even if it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, just take spoon, maybe 4 spoon or 5 spoon, morning, afternoon, night, and thank me later. Thanks for watching. Bye.